ka Jingshong suk Shongsan bat ka Jingshngaiñ kala Wanphai biang Lapangap mentah bat nakaliang ka sorkaru kala kular syakipat ba apakan rengkat bat ki laong sembut menteri rang ba Khuborjylla ba asnya balangdhar Hadien bawan jurep ya kate kathan hakasengi baar Hakajingkran bakilat pathai Khubor usumbut menteri rang ba ulaya thu ba hakajing Jngoh ya kate kathan ulayo banya kendu ekipat ba nongsong snong ba layo ru ban selok bat ki Hakani kasengi la senran lang usumbut menteri rang ba nadu Khubor district hadu ki he pulet badru ki he sorkar.
Yesterday we just visit along with the DC and SP and the other officials from the district administration. Just visit because as of now everything is okay. There is no more tension in the area. So that just also at the same time is my own constituency. Just visit to meet and to create a confidence with the people of the area especially. And also I assure them with a full protection from the government for their safety. Concern point about the request the government to put a force there 24 hours and we did it. And point about that is a little bit not in order, so some of our people who are still having a party feeling that they are still fear to go on for their activities. So we already instruct the DC bodies to have a meeting with the local people to solve this matter at the earliest possible. They should not be disturbed to attend their activities daily in that respective area. Force does, our force is still there and Assam is still there. So at least to avoid anything happening. Both sides, even the force from Meghalaya is there, Assam is also there. So at least maybe when things is normal, things as of now, both sides forces there. From Meghalaya side and from Assam side also. Obviously. Even I told my DC is always intact with them. There should be nothing, should be unfortunate incidents. They are updated every now and then. And that's why as of now the institution there is normal, no tension anymore. So yes, there is some Paris level discussed, so at the state level. So first I will try to coordinate with the other chairman and committee from that side and we will take a call. We will try to make things normal as usual while we are waiting for the permanent solution to the border issue settlement.